Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu launched a toll-free helpline and 2 portals for senior citizens called Elder Line. The helpline number 14567 aims to provide free guidance on pension, medical and legal issues, among others. One of the portals, Sacred Senior Able Citizens for Re-employment in Dignity, aims to connect senior citizens to job providers in the private sector. Congress leader Kanhaiya Kumar said that BJP calls him a member of the Tukre Tukre gang and added that he will do Tukre Tukre of BJP. This party considers Godse the father of the nation, not Mahatma Gandhi, he added. They only praise Gandhiji in front of the United States President, he stated. Kanhaiya, a former JNU Students' Union president, left CPI to join Congress. 14 Myanmar nationals, including a woman who were trying to travel to Delhi using fake Aadhaar cards, were detained by security personnel deployed at the Bir Tikendrajit International Airport in Manipur's Imphal, police said. Stringent actions will be taken against those people who enter the country without proper documents, Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh said. China has deployed its troops in considerable numbers all across eastern Ladakh, the northern front, and right up to Eastern Command, Air Chief M.M. Narawane has said. Definitely, there has been an increase in their Chinese forces deployment in the forward areas, but we are regularly monitoring their movements, said Narawane. India is well poised to meet any eventuality, he added. Over hundreds of farmers gathered outside Haryana Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar's residence today after the centre delayed paddy procurement in Punjab and Haryana till October 10th. Video of the incident shows a clash between the police force and protesting farmers. The police personnel can also be seen using water cannons in order to disperse the protesters. An undated video of a monkey in Delhi's IGI airport has been widely shared online. The video shows the monkey drinking fruit juice on a bar counter as passengers stop to record videos. The monkey is also seen eating some food that it took from the bar. As per Indian Express, the monkey was rescued and no one was harmed. A 7-year-old Indian girl from Bengaluru has been awarded the Peace Image of the Year in the Children category in the prestigious Global Peace Photo Award for a photograph which shows her mother in the lap of her grandmother. Adhiya Aravind Shankar received the award at the Austrian Parliament. She received a diploma, a medal, and a cheque of €1,000.